Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Wyatt here. It's race day at Jackson Motor Speedway. We just got off out of the driver's meeting and I'm about to go pack the track, but I did a lot of work to my car this week. We replaced all of the spark plugs and all of the ignition coils and replaced the oil filter, and it seems we test drove it a little bit and it seems like our limp mode issues are completely gone. So well, hopefully they're gone. It never went into limp mode while we were test driving it. So we also had to replace the alternator that had gone bad, but it sounds great and I'm excited for tonight, so we'll see how it goes. I'll see y'all probably do another video after we pack the track, so be right back.
Marcy, I'm Wyatt's mom, and I'm really excited to be here at Jackson Motor Speedway to watch him race tonight. We go over there. He just finished his packing the track. We're going to talk to Wyatt about the track conditions for tonight. All right, Wyatt, how was the track out there when you were packing it?
It was really wet like it usually is, but here in Jackson, but it got really dry and dusty pretty quickly.
Okay, and so it's a race night on a Thursday night. Have you ever raced on a Thursday night before? Do you remember?
This might be the first time. I'm not sure.
Okay, so tell everyone, why are we racing on a Thursday night, not a Friday or Saturday?
Well, because last week we were supposed to have races here in Jackson on Saturday, but they rained out. So no, it wasn't last week. It was like
2 or 3 weeks ago, I think.
But anyway, so now we're having the races tonight because they have a big sprint car thing that they're doing. So it's a 3-day for them, but for us, we're only racing tonight.
All right, so you have hot lets coming up. All right. All right. Was pretty much underwater. It flooded last weekend for the race, and here we are on Thursday racing again. So are you thinking about any kind of strategy yet, or do we need to check back in?
I'm gonna have to talk to Skylar a little bit. It seems like in the low RPMs when I pulled back here, it sounds like one of my cylinders isn't firing, so I'm gonna talk to him about that. But otherwise, as far as the night goes, it'll probably get real well for the sprint cars. They're gonna pack it in real tight and they're gonna run it out. So I don't know. I mean, hopefully there won't be any big jumps like there were last race here.
Right, ruts in it. That makes you.
It'll probably be pretty bad, but hey, I'm just gonna drive it as hard as I can safely. So we'll see how it goes.
All right.
In the 67, the 60 of Joseph Rousseau, Dustin Davis in the 2, Bridget Saxton right here from Jackson, Mississippi in the 33, and Wyatt Bicker in the 12. Looks like all 6 are there, ready to go. So we get that flashing green light down the back stretch, right into green flag racing action off a turn 4. 602 Sportsman, you are late if you are not in stage at 602 Sportsman.
Out there?
Well, I just rolled the tire.
Okay.
I hit a rut that I didn't see. It's the same spot as last week. I didn't feel it any of the laps before, so I didn't know it was there. Just dove in too deep and hit it. So we're gonna see if this tire will hold air. It looks like it might, but I'm not sure. But we do have a spare tire that we may have to use. Working. Well, we got the tire to pop back into place. It's holding air now, so we're gonna go out there for the feature and hopefully not hit any more big ruts and finish strong. The car, it's doing great. So just some idling issues, but that's it. So yeah, I'll see you after the race.
A 60 of Joseph Russo. Flips the swing. Comes up. They're going to turn them loose.
job. There were a few cautions, and then you went into the infield. Can you tell us what happened?
Well, I was racing along. My temperature gauge was telling me that it was at a normal temperature range, only halfway up, but it was just constantly shooting water out of the overflow hose we have, and it eventually just started shooting steam out, and I could smell something burning, so I just pulled off. I didn't know what was going on, and like I said, temperature gauge said it was normal, but I mean, it shot all over my arm and I got burned, so I'd say that proves otherwise. So I'm gonna talk to Skyler, see what he thinks, but I mean, I had a great run until it started overheating, so it was fun. I enjoyed it a lot.
Except for the getting burned part?
Yeah, that hurt a lot.
That hurt? Did it go through your fire suit?
Well, it was water, so it went through my fire suit and burned me. Yeah.
Okay.
So.
Man. All right, I'm so sorry. I know it's been a rough few weeks of racing and trying to get your car back out there. Again, you did a great race. You raced really well. So hopefully we can really, really get this figured out, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
So.
Hey guys, welcome back. We are at Grandpa's house the day after Jackson. Wyatt is here. I was going to explain a little bit about what he experienced last night. We won't be able to go to Hattiesburg tonight because they called off their race. They're expecting some rain. And so we're going to hang out here. We've talked about what we're going to do with the car. We've got a friend coming over to help us out with some more with it. He's been working on Hondas for 20 years or so now. But Wyatt, let us know what you think about last night. What happened?
Well, I think I had a pretty good run. I started last in the heat, as y'all saw, and I rolled a tire in that heat. But for the feature, I started, I think, in pretty much last place. So I made it up to 6th, and the car was doing great. We were having some issues with idling. One of the cylinders isn't firing. And on that note, today we found some water on the number 4 spark plug. So we it was good, but I was blowing a lot of water out of the hose on the right front, and I started to get nervous about how much water was coming out, and that I thought I smelled something burning, which probably was just the car in front of me. But I wasn't sure what to do in that situation, so I just pulled off the track, and well, I probably could have made it on. My temperature gauge was showing me that it was fine, but now I know. So next week, I think I know Hattiesburg is racing. I don't know exactly what other tracks are racing, but hopefully I'll be back here. If there are no other issues, I should be able to race, and hope. I'm excited to hopefully race Hattiesburg for the first time this year. That's a very fun track for me. So, yeah, that's it. I still got to wash off the car, but we just had it under a tarp in case it rained. But other than that, it was a pretty good week for me. We got some issues with the limp mode figured out. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see y'all next time.